What's the deal with the shape? I have no idea. Or like create a vacuum kind of thing and
What's up guys, I'm Reva. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today is a Father's Day special video and hence I have my dad here with me.
Hello everyone. Name is Rajiv Sharma. Dad.
What are we doing today?
Well, I'm supposed to answer questions to pictures that you show me and I'll figure out what they represent.
Yeah, something like that. I'm going to be showing him some pictures of what are known as female products or are products that are predominantly used by women, and he has to guess those, and if he gets them right he gets a point. If he doesn't get them right he doesn't get a point.
What do I get
If
in
you
the end?
it depends. If you get more, so there are 15 questions. If you get more than 8 correct,
Then?
you can choose your prize.
Okay. Let's go.
Before we begin, let me know in the comments how many you think he's gonna get correct, and also once you're done with the video, tell me how many you got correct, and we can begin. What do you think that is?
What is it? You gotta put your hair through it to do something? I have no clue. Don't know.
It's a hair dryer.
I guess it has something to do with hair, but with that hole in there, I don't get it. This is a floor mat. Cleaning mat or something, right?
Cleaning what? I mean, cleaning mat is written there, Papa.
This is for dead skin and stuff?
No, it's a makeup brush cleaning mat.
Oh, okay.
This you should know.
Blackhead remover.
This I don't think you'll know.
Looks like you can roll this stuff and massage your face or do something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
It's called a jade roller, but I'll give you a point because you know what it does. Smart, huh, Papa? This you should know.
Oh, this is stuff you use to put nail polish in your feet and to keep the distance away and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
correct. The
Keep
toe
your toes
separator.
separator. Yeah, toes separator, fine, yeah. This one was using it in Big Bang Theory last night, so I know. What's her name?
Penny.
Penny was using it. Yeah. Little glass pebbles. I know we put them in a bowl with water as decorative stuff, but are they supposed to do anything? Take a stick I have no idea.
It's bead wax. They melt these beads.
Oh, these are beads of wax. Okay.
Yeah, so they
This is
melt
for
these
waxing.
beads and you basically put it on your skin and it dries and then you just rip that off. It's not like you don't use the waxing strips for it.
Okay. It's a small sponge that's used for cleaning up your makeup or sort of rubbing it in properly. I don't know.
Yeah, it's called a beauty blender. It's basically
so
to
you
rub
blend
in the
it.
foundation.
Okay.
Where have you seen this?
Natasha has, I don't know, I've not seen yours, whether you have or not, but on shoots they use it, so. This is something to do with your eyelids, so it's when you are sort of, I don't know, I mean it's a beauty product for eyelids, right? Eyelashes rather.
Yeah. Wow, I'm impressed with the amount you're getting correct.
Okay. This is like. Is it the correct way? It's supposed to be the other way around, right?
No, it's
So you're
supposed
going to
to.
put something in it and it drips out from it. You're going to put it in your face and sort of suck, or like create a vacuum kind of thing. And
It's a menstrual cup.
this is your. What do you call it? Hair remover, epi.
Yeah, close.
Epileptor or something.
Epilator.
Epilator.
This
This is for hair again. I mean.
But what is it?
It's a heating iron to straighten your hair, I guess. Right?
Yes.
What is this? These are like. What's the deal with the shape? It could be round. It's round, right?
It could be round as well, yeah.
So what are these? These are your pads to sort of put your makeup on.
No, okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. You know when you watched Charmed, you kept complaining about the girls, and even in Friends, you've complained about Rachel. So if she wore this, that problem wouldn't happen.
These are cups.
Yeah, they're basically silicone pasties if you're not wearing a bra to hide the nipples.
Okay.
Oh, this is easy.
This is stuff to clean your skin, dead skin. It's like a, what do you call it, scrubber?
Yeah, but it's called something.
I don't know what it's called, I know what it does. This is a hairband. Definitely.
No, it's not a hairband.
Something got something to do with putting your hair in, I mean putting it around your hair, like, you know, a fancy hairband, that's it, right? Yeah, what else is it?
It's a donut bun.
Yeah, but
It's not a hairband.
in the sense you use it to tie your hair.
No, you don't technically use it to tie your hair. You
You just use it to decorate it on top.
No, you put it in and then you tie your bun around it so that it gives you volume.
Oh, okay.
But I will still give you the point. You were close. You were pretty close.
This is a fine Bristol brush, again used for makeup to take off the extra chalkiness of foundation or whatever.
No, it's the same
Blend
thing
it
as
in?
yeah.
To blend
it's
it
the
in,
same
right? I
thing.
mean, sort of rub it in and take off all the extra dust and blend it in. Okay.
Are we done with the 15?
I don't know.
Oh yeah. I want to know how many you got correct. Wow! I didn't think you'd get more than 6 correct.
Oh, well, if you have women in your household, then
I don't even use half these products.
like I said, either it's there on television, or they're there in ads, or that they've been used in shoot for makeup or something. So if you keep your eyes open.
I am pretty surprised. I've seen this video done by like boyfriends and brothers and friends, and it's really surprising that you've gotten more correct than most of those guys get.
Because the father goes through a much longer period of dealing with, especially if you have a daughter, right? Of seeing things and noticing things. Boyfriends don't care. So that's good.
That is very good.
Fantastic.
Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope you had fun. We had a lot of fun doing it. Did you have fun doing it?
Yep.
I am pretty surprised with how well he fared. Tell me in the comments how well you did and how many you got correct. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, what are you going to ask them to do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Share.
And share. And I will see you guys next Thursday. Bye.
Bye-bye.